Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Arthur Early back here with you. So yesterday we went and did a deep dive into conversions. And today I'm going to be breaking down conversions a little bit more in depth and telling you why conversions are so important. Alright, but before I do that, once again, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you know when I'm going live on YouTube and then dropping another video. Okay guys, so today is the last part of this whole video series. We're going to be wrapping it up with conversions, and I'm going to be explaining why consistency is the king of conversions. Alright, so for those of you that are taking notes, make sure you get your pad and your pen out, or maybe watch this video a couple of times. Okay, so one thing I want to explain to you is don't be an opportunity hopper. This means you want to focus on hitting one goal in one specific niche in one specific company. All right, build up an image of being trustworthy and reliable and consistent. Don't promote this thing and then a month later you're promoting that thing. It's gonna confuse your audience. Okay, it works a little bit differently with every single niche, but for those of you that are watching this and are in the make money online niche, you want to be consistent in regards to that, okay? And the next one is don't try to be the jack of all trades, all right? Being a specialist makes you an authority and gives you increased leverage in the marketplace, all right? People who will think of you when it comes to that niche that they're in. Oh, I'm making money online. I'm going to go see Arthur because he knows exactly what he's talking about. He has a program that is designed to make people and brand new newbies money. And if you're not sure exactly what promotion I've been talking about, and I've been telling you about in the past couple of videos about this opportunity that I'm promoting right now that people are getting insane results, myself included. I woke up this morning and I was going to make a video. And I looked at my email to see what what the open rates on the email was, and I just saw a brand new email that I got a $2,000 commission that just came in this morning, guys, from this opportunity. So it works. It's been working, and it will continue to work. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to leave a link in the description for you, or I'll go ahead and put a link to the video that I did showing you exactly what this opportunity entails and how you can make money with this opportunity as well. All right, so there's going to be 5 things that you want to pay attention to when it comes to conversions. The first thing is the power of personal brand recognition. I touched on this a little bit earlier in a video a couple of days ago. Now on social media, you want to be secure, and you want to be able to utilize the handles, tagline, phrases, signatures. In the lower left hand side of this video, I think over here somewhere, you're gonna see my insignia on the video. That's part of my brand. That's my logo. So that helps people recognize who I am online. If you don't have consistency across all channels, your consumers will be less likely to purchase from you due to this discrepancy, and I've spoke about this before. If your brand is consistent, which mine is, and I think yours should be too, all right, you'll benefit by easily increasing brand recognition. People will recognize you, which is going to help you save money because you're not going to have to spend money on marketing as hard because people are going to come to you. All right, so build your brand and solidify trust in the people that people have in you. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is the power of personal brand awareness. Now, personal brand recognition was 1. Personal brand awareness is number 2. Customers are significantly more likely to buy from a brand they recognize. Apple, Nike, Amazon, those brand recognition. If you saw a nice pair of sneakers that did not have that swoosh mark on them, you're probably not going to buy them no matter how nice they are. But if that same pair of sneakers came out and it had the Nike swoosh check mark on it, you're probably going to buy because of the brand recognition, okay? Your visual content should stick to the same color, theme, photo quality, and logo placement, all right? And your digital material should match those of the marketing dependability that helps you build your brand awareness. So this will be able to help your customers easily and immediately recognize your brand. Alright guys, now we're going to be talking about number 3, which is the power of creating trust. This is crucial. So for those of you taking notes, make sure you circle this, star it, highlight it, whatever you got to do, because I'm going to go into it and I'm going to share exactly how important creating trust is, okay? So here's the deal. A lot of you know this person, okay? You've had a friend that regularly breaks plans, all right? Missed phone calls, didn't return your text message. You probably wouldn't have faith in that person, right? You know, you can't rely on them for nothing. Customers are 71% more likely to purchase from a person that they trust. Posting content on a regular basis is similar at times by utilizing the same platforms for specific reasons, right? You guys understand that? And keeping messaging uniform will help you build that trust. So if you post every single day on Instagram some kind of advertisement, some kind of motivational post, something that's going to help your brand recognition and make your customers recognize who you are and what you're about, they're going to be more likely to click on your link and buy what you have if they are looking for that particular thing, okay? And more than likely, you have set up your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn to attract those type of buyers, all right? So that is number 3. Number 4 is the power of repetition, right? Repeat again and again and again. On average, it's going to take 5 to 12 attempts to sell anything to anybody, no matter how good you are. Most marketers stop following up after 3 attempts. This is where you guys come in, okay? You're my people. This is where you come in, all right? The more often people see and hear or experience something, the more likely they are to remember it. So if you are consistent with your brand, all right, people are going to be able to recognize it and remember it. Oh, it's that guy Arthur. He's promoting this amazing system that he's been telling me about. Let me go ahead and check that out, all right? So if you want your brand to be, memorable, make your messaging, your ads, your branding, your consistent, make that all consistent and frequent, okay? Every day, twice a day, 3 times a day, no matter how long it takes. Don't stop. Keep going, okay? Create a memorable brand for your audience, guys. I'm making these videos for you as part of an education so you can remember who I am, all right? It all works hand in hand, guys. I'm not afraid to go ahead and say that because I'm putting this out there for you, all right? And the 5th one is your consistency will eventually pay off. You have to understand this and you have to know that you're not just doing this to do it. Okay, you have to know that you're going to be able to do it with an end in sight, end result in sight. Being consistent has a lot of benefit, guys. So if you badly want to improve your life, practice productive habits consistently. Yes, like I said, it's hard being consistent, but the rewards are on another level, guys. Let me tell you. I went from growing the channel with like 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers here and there, and all of a sudden I was consistent and the channel just blew up and I'm getting subscribers every day. I'm getting messages every day. People are signing up to my opportunity every day. Why? Because I just dropped the excuse and then I started to be consistent, okay? You may find yourself inventing excuses, like I said, when I dropped the excuses, guys. Oh, I can't do it today. I can't do it, especially when it's inconvenient to do the work, right? But once you have a long streak of productivity going, you don't want your efforts to be wasted, guys. So you have to understand that you're going to be able to see things that others won't be able to see. If you keep doing something over and over again, You will be able to discover techniques, styles, and different methods that not everyone can see. You'll gain knowledge and have insight through your hard work and dedication. Remember that. All right. Another thing is you'll become better. Right? Consistency is going to make you be better. Shooting videos every day, you're going to get better. As your streak becomes longer, the better you'll become. You'll notice you're becoming as disciplined as your skills develop. The more your skills develop, the more disciplined you're going to become. And the more money you start making, the more disciplined you're going to become, because you can see, okay, you know what? I had results here. Why? Because I was doing this here. I had results in my business because I was doing this, all right? The most popular trait of a successful person is that they show up every day, guys. I'm doing this 90-day video series for you guys, and you can take a look at the timeline. I'm on day, I think, 37 or 38, depending on when you're watching this video. And I haven't stopped, guys. It is what it is, all right? Your confidence is going to soar higher. Consistency is one of the best builders of confidence, guys, because you're going to see your numbers grow no matter what you're doing. You're going to start with 1 follower, then 2 followers, then 10 followers. And for those of you that don't understand this, if you can get 1 person to like you, you can get 10 people to like you. If you can get 10 people to like you, you can get 100 people to like you. If you can get 100 people to like you, you can get 1,000 people to like you. And if you can get 1,000 people to like you, you can get 1,000,000 people to like you, guys. It's all about showing up, being consistent, and taking action. The more, you know what I'm saying? And with that confidence comes your self-esteem is going to get built up. And self-esteem builds higher naturally. You're going to be able to trust yourself more, even as you begin to memorize your actions, and you're going to get the job done. All right? Another characteristic of being consistent is you're always going to be updated, right? You got to know what's going around you. You got to be along with the latest developments in your niche. You're going to be able to anticipate what's going to happen next, and you're going to know exactly what to do when something happens next. You won't be scared to face the momentum because you have the facts and the experience already in your pocket, and you're going to conquer any situation in your business, guys. All right? And you're going to own your life, guys. That's ultimately what we're looking to do. You've developed habits of a successful person, okay? You're equipped to create any desired lifestyle, guys. And hopefully by watching these videos and understanding this terminology and understanding these tactics that I'm giving to you, you'll be able to use them to become successful and live the life that you desire. The path I'm giving you is already laid out for you guys. All right, you have the direction to go and be ambitious. All right? All right, you don't need to be an expert to succeed. All you need is consistency, guys. So I just want to leave that off with you guys and on letting you know exactly how important consistency is, guys. So listen, if you could do me a huge favor, guys, comment down below if you got value from this video series. I had a lot of fun making these videos for you guys, and I hope you got some value from them, guys. All right, so come back tomorrow. We'll be going to be jumping into another video, and I'm going to be explaining more and more in regards to the online marketing space, guys. So from there on, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.